The real question is, what are you going to do with the time you have left? Any guesses what we will discuss today? Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly special to share with you, a book that has touched the hearts of millions and left a lasting impact on readers worldwide. We will be discussing The Last Lecture by Randy Pausch, a book that beautifully captures the essence of life, dreams, and the power of living with purpose. So grab a cup of coffee or tea, get cozy, and let's dive into this inspiring journey. This book is based on a moving lecture delivered by Randy Pausch, beloved computer science professor at Carnegie Mellon University.
I am in really good shape. In fact, I'm in better shape than most of you. So anybody who wants to cry or pity me can come down and do a few of those, and then you may pity me.
Diagnosed with terminal cancer, Randy faced the most challenging obstacle of his life. In his final lecture, he shared his life lessons, reflecting on his childhood dreams and how he achieved many of them. His profound wisdom and unyielding positivity touched the hearts of everyone who listened. The last lecture takes us on an emotional roller coaster filled with humor, inspiration, and profound insights. Randy shares stories from his life, emphasizing the importance of seizing opportunities and living in the present. He doesn't just talk about dreams, he shows us how to chase them, even in the face of adversity. What makes the last lecture stand out is the raw authenticity of Randy's words. He doesn't sugarcoat his situation or present himself as a saint. Instead, he shares his vulnerabilities and admits his imperfections, making his journey even more relatable and inspiring. As we read the last lecture, we are struck by the powerful lessons it offers. Here are some key takeaways from the book. Number 1, cherishing time. Randy reminds us of the value of time and how precious every moment is. He encourages us not to take our time for granted and to make the most of every day. Number 2, pursuing dreams. Through his own experiences, Randy shows us the importance of pursuing our childhood dreams and setting ambitious goals. He teaches us that dreams are worth chasing, no matter how impossible they may seem. Number 3, embracing optimism. Despite facing a terminal illness, Randy's unwavering optimism and positive outlook on life are truly inspiring. He encourages us to focus on the good, find joy in the little things, and maintain a grateful heart. Personally, the last lecture has left a profound impact on us. It taught us the significance of being present and embracing every opportunity that comes our way. Randy's words continue to motivate us to live our lives with purpose and to prioritize what truly matters. In conclusion, The Last Lecture by Randy Pausch is a heartwarming and thought-provoking book that reminds us to cherish every moment and live with intention. It's a powerful reminder to chase our dreams relentlessly, no matter the circumstances. If you haven't read it yet, I highly recommend adding it to your reading list. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have read The Last Lecture, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content like this. Until next time, keep dreaming big and live life to the fullest.